Well, design is all around us. Everything around us has been designed. Not always well, not always with intent, but everything has been drawn by somebody. I find that the really intriguing part. Some kind of pencil, some kind of paper has been used to draw the whole world around us, the whole built world around us. When I was 15, 16, I discovered a passion for design as I was making things essentially in my parents' basement. I was building objects, either for my room or for some of my passions back then, which were skiing and windsurfing. You know, from the very beginning, working on things that are changing, that are different, is something that I adopted, you know, back then. So I'm very interested in change today, and I'm very interested in stories. I think through design I can accelerate the adoption of some ideas. It is possible to do dematerializing products. It is possible to bring the notion of low carbon footprint with something that is attainable, that is low cost. Design is a way to take these ideas, this philosophy, and actualize it. In many ways, I think it's time for designers to get back to leading brands forward. For the last 50 years or so, it's very much been the world of advertising, the world of marketing. You know, to me, design, the experience of a product, it's much more essential, and it appears that it is the same for the consumer. Well, the chair is probably one of the most important objects in our lives. The task chair, you know, the one we use at work. Throughout the process, the idea was really to remove certain elements, to increase comfort, to dematerialize, to bring this notion, again, of low carbon footprint and attainability together in one. For me, sustainability is the biggest opportunity we have as designers to create massive change, to rethink some of the ways we make things, we build things, we deliver things. Being in Japan, being in Singapore, being in Sydney, you know, simply seeing how human beings react, how they throw themselves in the chair and they want to touch certain parts of it. Some of it is just very, very universal. Well, my vision for the future is that we're living in an increasingly transparent world. There needs to be a level of sincerity and honesty in the work, in what gets built and how things are made, in how things are produced, in a way that is more in line with the way we want to live, and that is more in line with the world around us and with nature.